Here's the Nikon P1000 camera, and when I press the shutter button, then it mentions demo mode. What is that demo mode? And when I press the record button, that red one, nothing happens. So how to fix this problem? Well, turn the camera upside down, open that small little door, and is there a memory card? Oops, there is no memory card. So get one with the text towards you and towards the screen, like so. Insert it into the camera and close the door. And now if you press the shutter button, there is no demo mode anymore, but it is capturing photos. Plus, if I press the record button, we have record in the upper left corner. So probably you forgot to insert your memory card into the camera, that's why it mentions demo mode.